Hi, it's Jen here. I'm going to share a bit about my experience using this laptop for a month. This laptop is a i5 10th generation and it has 16GB RAM with 512 SSD. I bought this laptop because my last laptop broke, and this laptop is affordable and it's quite portable, which is important to me as a student. It boots up quite fast and you can use the fingerprint sensor to unlock the laptop. Here you can also see the brightness level. Because I'm using it beside a very bright window, so I'm setting it to the brightest level. I really like that it's light and flexible, which is convenient when I use it to watch videos and read ebooks. It also has a good battery life that lasts the entire afternoon if I do my normal tasks, like web surfing and watching videos. Another thing that I like about this laptop is that although it is light, it has a wide selection of ports. It has two USB 3.1 Gen 1, two USB-C, a micro SD card reader, HDMI, headphone mic combo, and network extension for Ethernet. Another really attractive feature is the Thinkpad Pen Pro. The pen charges itself when you put it back into its slot, so you won't lose it easily. The stylus might feel a bit small on bigger hands. I think it's a pen that you can get used to after some time. So far, I've been using OneNote for my math exercises and I find it really convenient because I don't need to do it on paper anymore. Also, there are buttons on the Thinkpad Pen Pro which you can customize to do certain things. Right now, the bottom button erases on OneNote. Because my palms are a bit sweaty right now, so the screen jumps a bit. Meanwhile, if you like this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. Next, I'm going to talk about the downsides of this laptop. If you are looking for a laptop to do gaming or video editing, this laptop is not for you. This is because this laptop only has Intel UHD graphics card. I don't have the footage, but I tried running DaVinci Resolve 16, which is a video editing software, on this laptop, and it crashed when I added a time-lapse effect. So this laptop is only suitable for light video editing like cut and merging videos only. Here I'm playing CSGO on the lowest setting, but it still has a very low FPS and the fans are quite loud when I start the game. So if you want a laptop that requires strong graphics, this laptop is not for you. Also, there is another thing that might annoy you, which is the fingerprints on the laptop surface. But I think this is something that some people will care about, and some people like me don't really care about. In conclusion, if you are looking for a light, affordable, portable laptop that is only for productivity tasks like taking notes, Microsoft Office, watching videos, I think this is a really good laptop to consider. I hope you find this video helpful. Let me know what you think in the comments section below. Bye bye!